In this video, I'm sharing some last minute Amazon Prime gift ideas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to everyone who's new here. My name is Ashley Park, this is Park Avenue, and I have tons of fashion content for you to check out. If you love outfit ideas, unboxings, styling videos, I've also got lifestyle content. Check out some of my other videos, and when you find something you like, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I don't want you to miss any of my uploads. So time is ticking. I actually did a poll on my Instagram stories and 71% of you said that you still hadn't found all your holiday gifts. So I figured this would be a great time to share with you some really cool stuff I found on Amazon that would make great gifts. And if you order them and you have Amazon Prime, you'll get them in time for the holiday. So I want to jump into these items, but before I do, it's time for today's Instagram shout out. And today I am shouting out Maya the B16. She commented under my last post on Instagram and wrote, "I couldn't wait to see how the Best Buy content turned out. Love it. I get my dad a Best Buy gift card for every occasion. Christmas, birthday, Father's Day." Thank you so much, Maya. And I am so excited that you guys really enjoyed the Best Buy story that I did yesterday. Actually, it was up in my stories. It's expired now, so if you guys missed it, but you want to see some behind the scenes that I shared right before I did post it, I will link to that video and enjoy it. I had a lot of fun filming it and sharing it with you, and I've gotten a lot of great feedback from you guys about how much you enjoy me taking you behind the scenes with how I film campaigns and, you know, like taking you guys to work with me. So I enjoy doing it, and I'm glad you guys like it as well. So thank you guys so much for all those well wishes. I really appreciate it. Now let's jump into this first item. So this first item I want to show you guys is a facial steamer. Now, I really enjoy my facial steamer when I'm doing facials at home, maybe like an avocado mask or anything like that. It's really great to open up the pores and just really take care of your skin. I like skincare routines because they're a lot of fun and it feels like I'm giving myself a treat. And I have been wanting to create like a spa-like experience in my bathroom. So anything I bring into my bathroom, it is to help that experience. And a facial steamer is a really great way to do that as well. And even though I feel like facial steamers are popular, I still think a lot of people don't have them. So this would make a really great gift for someone. And a gift like this doesn't really have an age on it. I feel like this is something that's great for a young woman. Maybe she's like a teenager, someone in college, even an adult woman might not have a facial steamer. So I think it is a nice gift. It's thoughtful and it just reminds people to take a little bit of self-care. That's really great, especially around this time of year because everyone is really stressed out trying to get everything together and get all their gifts. And you should really just take a second and enjoy it. So it's nice to be able to create those spas at home. And speaking of creating that spa experience at home, I want to show you guys this bath pillow, which is actually in my cart. I have a few things from this list that are in my cart that I'm actually going to order because I think this is a great addition to any kind of routine that you already have going on. And even if you don't have a routine, this is a great excuse to get one started because this is something that definitely adds the luxury to the whole bath time experience. It's really nice. I'm someone who loves to lounge in the tub when I do take a bath, and this is gonna be perfect. It looks so cozy and comfortable, and it gives you that extra neck support. So if you love to like lay in the bath and just really relax and let your muscles relax, and then maybe read a book or be on your phone or even watch your favorite television show, that's great. And this is gonna let you do that with ease and comfort. And this is a very thoughtful gift as well for someone. If you know someone loves to take baths, I'm pretty sure they get like a lot of like bath salts and bubble bath or like candles, and they might not have something like this. This could be a really great present. Next up, I want to show you guys this portable vanity mirror. I think this is a great gift. And me personally speaking, I would have loved to receive this as a gift. I think that this is something that's perfect for my lifestyle. And I know so many of you are like me, so this is gonna be perfect for you. And it's gonna be a great gift for anyone really. So I know a lot of ladies who don't have like a specific vanity area or a specific setup. They're doing their makeup in the bathroom, which is fine. But chances are you don't have those beautiful vanity lights that are really helpful when you're doing your makeup to see like to see things accurately. So I think this would be a great gift. It has a lot of great reviews, which is what swayed me toward it. And I think this is gonna be so perfect for travel. This is the ideal kind of thing to travel with. A lot of times at hotels and resorts, they don't really have an ideal place to do your makeup, especially once it gets dark. Once you run out of that natural light, the chances of you having excellent lighting inside isn't that great. So it's nice to be able to have something that you can travel with that isn't too big and really hard to maneuver, something like this is perfect. You can even carry it in your travel tote with you on the plane if you wanted to, but you can pack it into your, your carry-on luggage or whatever. I think this is a really great gift. And again, something I would love to get. So I know so many of you would appreciate it or love to give this to someone. And this is also a great gift to give a college student, a young woman. Anyone would appreciate this because it's so handy. Next up on the list are Perfume Atomizers. These are really great stocking stuffers, really perfect for travel, of course. For one, when you're traveling, you don't need to take a full-size perfume because you're just not even going to use that much product, so why carry it and add the weight to your luggage? For two, your regular size perfume bottles are probably going to exceed the amount of liquid that you can even take with you on the plane. And why carry, your expensive fragrances with you for no reason? So these are really handy for that. And then you could also carry them in your bag if you love to, spray a little fragrance throughout the day or whatever the case is. They take up less space than your full-size fragrance. So I think that's really handy. And I also found these vintage looking atomizers that are absolutely gorgeous. They're timeless and classic. They're ultra feminine and they make really nice little displays for your vanity if you wanted to add something like that. But you could also put room fragrance into them if you wanted to keep them, let's say, in your bedroom. We have a little mantle in our bedroom and I think one of these is going to be so cute with my favorite room spray in it. So whenever I make the bed and freshen up the room, I can just do a cute little couple puffs and it just fills the room really nicely and it's just something cute to look at. And I feel like it just adds to the whole luxury experience and makes cleaning up a little bit more fun in my opinion. The next item I want to show you guys is something that I really wish I would have known about long ago. This is like a travel essential. It's a unisex product and so many people I know would appreciate this. These are these compressed towels that are compressed so small that they look like little candies in a wrapper. But when you put them in water, they expand to be an actual towel. They're reusable, they're a little bit thicker, they're durable, and this is great. If you're an on-the-go mom, maybe you just want to keep these around just in case you run out of wipes. Keep these in your toiletry pouch to freshen up if you need to. These are perfect if you have, any travel essentials. You just keep these in maybe your packing cubes so that whenever you are ready to travel, you already have something set up and ready to go. I think this is perfect. It's unisex. Men, women, anyone who travels would appreciate this. And even if you don't travel often, this is something that's great just to keep in your car, just because you never know. I love things like this that can stay packaged up and packed away really neatly, but whenever I need them, you can just, activate it with water. I think things like this is really perfect and very handy to have. Next up, I want to share something that I thought was really cool with you guys, and it's this tabletop fire pit. This is a fun gift, and maybe you don't have a fire pit in your backyard because you don't have a backyard, or you don't have a fireplace because you live in an apartment, or your house just doesn't have a fireplace. This tabletop fire pit allows you to have that same fire pit experience, but on a smaller scale. You can actually roast marshmallows over it. I've seen that being done. I think it's just such a cool idea, especially if you're having maybe a dinner, some sort of dinner party. You can set it up so that dessert is like s'mores and everyone can make their own s'mores and roast their marshmallows. It's a really cool idea and it also makes really great artwork. Even if you're not using it to roast marshmallows, you can just sit it in an area of your home where it's displayed beautifully and you can just enjoy the view. Next up, I want to share with you guys something for the home. Now this cheese board is super cute. I love the way that it looks, but I've never seen one like this because it also includes a pull-out tray that has a full knife set. I think that is so handy. It's really perfect. And honestly, all the things I'm showing you guys in this video are pretty handy and they're very functional and they really just enhance your life. They're little things that people would appreciate because they enhance your life. I think those are the most perfect gifts because they actually are going to be used. Next up, I want to show you guys this electric mug. It's so good. It's temperature controlled. This is perfect for the coffee drinker in your life, the tea drinker, or maybe yourself. To be able to temperature control your hot drink is perfect because I'll make coffee in the morning and then I'll get distracted or I'll start working or doing other things. And then my coffee's cold. I have to go and reheat it. Now, the electric coffee mug is a little bit pricey, so maybe you're looking for something a little less expensive. These insulated mugs are perfect. They're so beautiful. They're very aesthetically pleasing. And these days we all love to share our coffee drinks in our Instagram stories. So this is a very thoughtful gift and it will be used. It just looks so good. I'm going for more of a clean look, a lot less clutter, and this gives just that. So I think a lot of people are moving toward that and would appreciate just a nice, clean, simple, clear mug that is beautiful. And the last item I want to show you guys is a heated blanket. Now, for a long time, I wasn't really into these. I don't know why. It just seemed like something I wouldn't really care for. But recently we did have a couple of heated blankets and I got to try them out and I really, really love them. They are very warm. And if you are a couple or if you're giving this to a couple, a lot of them are cool because they'll have dual sides. So I know personally, I like mine at a certain temperature and Winston loves his at a certain temperature. So we can have that. And if you get hot or want to turn it off, you don't have to affect your partner. But if you just want like a smaller size one just for yourself, that's great as well. And you can just use it when you're like laying on the couch and watching a movie or just, you know, chilling at home. But it is really great to have that because sometimes it's not cold enough to like turn on the heat, but you just want a little bit of warmth, and a heating pad or something small just ain't cutting it. So a nice heated blanket is perfect and it makes a great gift because again, it's really thoughtful. So that is it, you guys. Those are some really great last minute gift ideas. If you have Amazon Prime, you'll be able to get everything in time for the holiday and just spend time relaxing and enjoying your family. So check the description box because I'll have everything linked for you guys there, along with some other Amazon pieces that I think you might enjoy as well. So be sure and check the description box. And if you guys want to check me out on some other platforms, I'll have my Instagram linked in the description box as well. And don't forget, you guys can check out the closet sale and maybe pick some things up for yourself or buy some gifts for other people as well. So I'll have that linked in the description box as well. If you made it this far and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? I would love to have you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. I get a lot of questions about how to grow a YouTube channel, how to start, equipment recommendations, what do I do? So I wrote a book and I'm sharing it with you guys. It's gonna detail everything that I did to grow my channel, specific information and actionable steps that you can take to grow your YouTube channel. So if you are just wanting to start one, but you just have no idea where to start, you get overwhelmed and it just seems so far away for you, this book will help you. If you already have a YouTube channel and maybe you've plateaued or you're just not seeing any kind of growth or you're not seeing the kind of growth that you feel like you should be seeing, this book will help you. It's gonna detail everything that I have done and it'll have actionable steps that you guys can take to get you to the next level for your YouTube channel. So click the link in the description box and get started on your channel.